Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the MAONO XLR and USB condenser microphone kit. You can get this product on Amazon for about $66. Check out the link in the description. The kit comes with a condenser microphone, an adjustable scissor boom arm, a metal shock mount, a pop filter, a foam mic windscreen, a table mounting clamp and a USB cable. Unfortunately, an XLR cable is not included in this kit. The included USB cable can be used with regular USB ports and USB Type-C ports. My first impression is very positive. It seems like this is a good quality microphone. The user manual tells you everything you need to know about the microphone and how to use it. Setting up the microphone is very easy and only takes about a minute. You don't need any tools to set up the microphone. The microphone has a pretty good quality and it is louder than other USB microphones I have tested. If you want to use the microphone with your computer, you just have to plug it in. I tested the microphone for about 2 weeks and I think it's a great product. This video was recorded with a MAONO microphone connected to my computer with the included USB cable. So if you are looking for a not too expensive, good quality microphone, for podcasting, live streaming or video production, I would recommend the MAONO XLR and USB condenser microphone kit. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.